Welcome to this tutorial on how to use DigitalOcean Marketplace. DigitalOcean is a popular cloud platform that provides a marketplace for one-click deployment of various applications and services. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using the DigitalOcean Marketplace to deploy your desired application. First step is to create a DigitalOcean account if you don't already have one. Once you have created your account and logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab on the top navigation bar. The Marketplace tab will take you to a page where you can browse through various applications and services that are available for one-click deployment. On the Marketplace page, you will see a list of popular and featured applications. You can browse through the list to find the application you want to deploy. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific application. Once you have found the application you want to deploy, click on it to go to its details page. On the details page, you will see a description of the application and the resources required to deploy it. You will also see a Create button that you can click to start the deployment process. Before you click the Create button, make sure you have selected the correct plan and configuration for your application. Once you click the Create button, DigitalOcean will start the deployment process. This process usually takes a few minutes to complete. Once the deployment is complete, you will see a success message and a link to access your newly deployed application. Best practice is to make sure you have selected the correct plan and configuration for your application to avoid any performance issues. Also, make sure to check the pricing and resources required for the application before deploying it. In conclusion, using the DigitalOcean Marketplace is a simple and easy process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily deploy your desired application and start using it in minutes. Remember to always select the correct plan and configuration for your application and to check the pricing and resources required before deploying it.